oh my god, I should have never gone through resin first and then ceramics after.
The ceramic veneers, how do they differ from composite, and why should a patient, choose this as an option for their smile design?
So it's funny you ask, because a lot of patients that come in with resin already in their mouth, they're like, oh my god, I should have never gone through resin first and then ceramics after. It ends up being for the patient more costly because they end up going through the same procedure practically twice. I always recommend, if you're ready to get your smile design, just go with the best materials. So the differences are many. For example, I always say that resin looks very pretty on the first day. After the first day, there's a lot of issues that come with it. One of the most common issues is staining. Ceramics don't stain at all. I just want everybody to understand that resin is the same thing as a filling material. Another big factor and main difference between ceramics and resin is that most of the time resin doesn't have a defined margin. So everything that we eat or we drink, it could get in there and create cavity. A lot of the resins that we remove here, I want to say like 80% of the time, there's always like some cavities underneath because of that.
The ceramic and the haze would be probably the best option in the sense of quality and also pricings, if we currently have amazing deals for that. So, it's harder to crack, as you said, and also protects your smile better.
They're very, very hard, so it's very difficult to fracture them. I mean, you would have to be like literally eating on a rock or something to
On purpose to break them.
Get that.
To test the durability of it.
Yeah.
Durability test.